When working with a long document, it can be difficult and time-consuming to find a specific word or phrase. To save time, you can use the Find command from the editing group. In this long document, we want to change the year. First, click Find or press Ctrl+F from the keyboard. The navigation pane appears. Type the year in the search box and press Enter from the keyboard. You can see all the occurrences are highlighted in the document. Use these arrows to go to each occurrence. Click the cross icon to close the pane. Now, we want to replace the current year with another year. Click Replace or press Ctrl+H from the keyboard. Enter the text that needs to be replaced in the Find What box, if not already available. Next, enter the year with which you want to replace the current year in the Replace With box. Click More to specify additional search options. Match Case and Find Whole Words Only are commonly used search options. You can also find and replace fonts and special characters using these checkboxes. Click Less to hide the search options as we are not selecting anything here. Now, click Replace and the first occurrence is changed. Now, click Replace All because we simply want to replace all the occurrences without skipping anything. Be careful when using Replace All as you cannot skip any occurrence in between which may lead to an error. Click OK. You can use Find Next to go to the next occurrence when using Replace, and then Close to close the window. Click Select and then select All or press Ctrl+A from the keyboard to select all the text in the document. You can use the command to change the font size or color of all the text in one go. You can use Select All Text with Similar Formatting No Data to select text having the same format in your document. Say, you want to see all the text in the document that has formatting similar to this text to avoid any formatting issues. For this, first select the text. Then click the Select drop-down and choose Select All Text with Similar Formatting No Data. You can see that all the text that has a format in this case font and color similar to the text that was originally selected is highlighted. This option is useful when reviewing documents with multiple heading types and paragraphs. This is all about the editing group.